guys, we have a special unboxing. Gifts for Hudson sent from our wonderful channel supporter, Jackie B, for Valentine's Day.
Yes, my Valentine, Hudson.
Hudson, you have an admirer. You have an admirer. You have lots of admirers, including us.
Yeah.
We love you, Hudson. We love you.
Hudson.
But this
Happy
is from Jackie
Valentine's
B.
Day.
So there's a box and 2 separate little bags. So let's check it out.
Let's throw Hudson a treat.
Okay.
Here we go.
We always start out with a treat. Of course. Now Hudson.
Look at his nose is in the box.
In
His nose is in the box.
Hudson.
Look at his nose.
To James and Karla from Jackie B. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, nice.
James.
Cupid.
He's
Draw
in the box.
back your bow.
Hudson, we have to read the card first, and then you can go in the box, okay?
Your arrow go.
To Karla.
Oh, nice.
What's this? Fold flat back and taper paste envelope closed.
It's a little garden.
Your Valentine, look.
Oh, how pretty is that?
Look.
Oh, look at a little face on there. Oh, it's great. Oh, wait, let me get it in focus. Ah, yeah, that is
what
cool.
What a sweet Valentine.
Yeah, that is great.
Oh, look at Hudson.
Huds
and this
loves
one's
it.
for you, James.
Oh, nice.
Look at the Cupid.
Oh, that's ours is Cupid. Draw back your bow and let your arrow.
Oh,
nice.
The sweetest one of all. My Valentine. Look at the heart. Look at and the kitty has a little bow tie
like Hudson. Bow tie Hudson.
Bow tie.
Oh,
and it's fantastic. It's like a felt.
Yeah, little velvet.
Feel it.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, Jackie B, these are so sweet.
Oh, Jackie, fantastic.
So sweet.
Those look
extra.
That's like an old school one. It's so awesome.
These are
and the flowers, beautiful.
Just like the old school ones.
Yeah.
Look
Grammar
at that.
school
Look how
time.
cute those look. I want to keep it out.
Yeah.
Now, Hudson.
Yeah. His nose is in there.
His nose in the bag.
In the bag.
What are you gonna pull out first?
Yeah. Look at him. His nose. What is that? Ah! Look at it!
Oh my God! Plush walnut dog toy.
It's a bull. It's a bull sighting.
It's a mighty bull sighting. And look at the long neck. And look at the tail.
Look at how cute that thing is. Wait, get it to. I want to just hear. Look.
It's the cutest face, Jackie B. Oh, I can't wait to play Hudson down the hall with this.
Look at how cute that is.
Jackie B, Hudson's giving me
look at a little tail
to give to you.
It's great.
Isn't it the cutest?
Look at a tuft of hair.
Oh, he loves it. He loves it. Look, he's nibbling on it already. He's nibbling on the foot.
Yeah, he loves it.
Hudson, we're going to play down the hall in a minute. I'm going to just put him down for a second, okay?
Yeah.
Let's put him down.
Oh, the bull.
Because there's more. Hudson, there's more.
That thing is great. Oh, so cute.
What's this?
Oh.
Benabone.
Oh.
Bacon flavor. Medium wishbones for dogs without thumbs. The last time I checked.
As long as it's something to do
say
with bacon.
Real bacon?
Look at him.
Look at this. After a bunch of research, we discovered that dogs love bacon.
Well,
but
sure.
Despite what some other toys may suggest, dogs can smell a fake from a mile away. This durable chew is turbocharged with the real deal. 100% Porky Bliss, made right here in the USA.
Oh,
my
fantastic.
God. Hudson.
Let me pause it. Bacon.
Bacon. So this has real bacon in it, James. I'm taking it out of its packaging.
Keep it away from James.
100% Porky Bliss. It's made right here in the USA. After a few chomps of this fabulous flavor bomb,
look at him.
Your beloved pet will be mesmerized for hours.
Oh.
You might get a little bit jealous, James.
Yeah, hey. Find James in bed with that at night. Look at it.
Loving
Oh,
it.
Hudson, we're going to go down the hall with it.
Well, it's for chewing, but we can throw it down the hall, too.
Yeah, he's going to love it. Oh, man.
Hudson, there's more.
Look at him.
This is a Valentine's Day bonanza for Hudson.
Oh, Hudson. What? Look at it. Ooh. Ah, it's a heart. Oh, right? It's a little heart.
It unravels.
Oh. Huds, what do you think? Roses are red.
Roses are red. Look, you can hide a treat in here.
Oh, so he can unroll them like his activity mat. Oh, that's
now
fantastic.
I understand.
Oh.
You hide a treat. Wait a minute. Chewy Nola. Chunola.
It's like granola for Hudson.
3-layered chew made with oats and brown rice.
Hudson.
Wait a minute, James, I have something on. Give him this treat. But afterwards, after dinner, he gets a chew. Every
Yes.
time he finishes his dinner, and now he
gets
has
a chew.
chunola.
Oh, nice.
Chunola. But wait a minute, James, there's more.
More
There's
for
more
Hudson.
that Jackie beat.
Oh!
Milk on soft chew, because look, this is my idea.
Soft chews. Yeah, put it in the flour.
Yes. So let
Oh,
me open this
Hudson.
up. Hold on.
I love that bowl. The
I know.
Valentine.
Let's give Hudson a soft and chewy now. I'm going to give him part of one. Now watch. This is what we're going to do. See, you can hide.
Yeah, deeper in there.
Look, you can hide it in here.
It's easy at first on the outside, then you make it more deep.
Look at him, he's
Hudson,
in the bag.
he's in the bag. Hudson.
See, look. I'm
Here,
taking
put
this
that
away.
there. Hudson. It's mayhem. Hudson.
No, he smells it. He
Yeah.
smells it. He's just too smart.
Oh, we'll do that with him.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Hudson.
Look. It's in there. Now hide it. Hudson, where is it? Hudson, where is it?
Look, he's smelling the
Yeah, he's got to
flour.
figure it out.
He will.
loves
He'll
it.
figure it out.
Yeah, he's great
He'll
at
figure
that.
it out. But there's more. There's more.
Oh, he's
James.
very good at learning.
What's
Oh,
this?
those look good.
Bocce's Bakery.
Oh,
Peanut
Bocce.
butter banana chip
Oh, he
recipe.
loves those.
Peanut butter banana and caramel.
Look at him.
Oh my
He's
God.
like, yes, please.
He's like, yes, please.
Yeah.
Wheat free.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Hudson, you are getting too spoiled from Jackie B.
Look at him. He's in the bag.
Ooh, they smell really
Yeah, I
good.
could smell him over here. Oh,
You
nice.
love, do you see him grab it?
Yeah, he just
He
snatches
just
it.
Grabbed it. I have to seal it because he's just gonna want everything.
Oh, he's great.
He loves all these treats. Are so amazing, Jackie.
Yeah, these are great.
There's more. There's more.
Ah. Ah.
There's so many more. Let's go to over here first.
Oh.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, what's in there? Hudson's like, show me, Ma. Yeah. Oh, Key Largo! Sail away to Key Largo, just like Bogey and
Enjoy your
McCall.
gift. Happy birthday, James.
Oh,
I always
nice.
love this movie. I hope you'll enjoy it.
Oh, we'll
too.
enjoy it.
From Jackie
Fantastic
B.
job.
Key Largo, Hudson.
Hudson, he's trying to,
Moving on. I know what you were trying to do.
he's trying to get to the snacks.
He's trying to get to the treats. You're staying up here for a second. You're staying up here. Key Largo.
Yeah, let me show it. Oh, just like Bogey and McCall. Humphrey Bogart.
Oh my God.
Edward
we've
G.
never-
Robinson.
we've never
Laura
seen
McCall.
that movie.
We gotta fire it up. Oh, this will be great. Oh, I
my
love it.
God.
3 innocent people trapped by a storm.
Yeah.
And a killer. Oh man, that'll be great.
Oh, wow. Within the hotel at Key Largo,
Nice.
a sadistic mobster, Johnny
Oh.
Rocco, played by Edward G.
Johnny
Robinson,
Rocco.
holds up and holds at gunpoint hotel owner Nora Temple, played by Lauren Bacall.
Yeah.
Her invalid father-in-law, played by Lionel Barrymore.
Oh,
is that
nice.
like Drew Barrymore?
Yeah.
Relative? Wow.
Yeah, relative.
And ex-GI Frank McLeod, Humphrey Bogart. McLeod's the one man capable of standing up against the belligerent Rocco, but the post-war
fantastic
realities
job.
have taken the fight out of him.
Oh, that'll
my
be
God.
great. Love it.
Popcorn night.
Jackie B.
With treats for Hudson.
Oh.
But there's more, James.
More for. Yeah, what is that?
Oh my God.
Oh, look.
Gourmet.
Oh, look at those gourmet
Puppy
poses.
love cookies.
Wait, I gotta show it close up. Oh,
Look,
at that.
I woof you.
Look, Hudson's trying to get into the box.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
give him a fancy treat right now. Oh, Jackie B.
Oh my God.
Oh, Hudson, you fancy, huh?
I woof you.
I woof. I woof you.
I woof you.
That was James. That wasn't Hudson. I have to, you know.
He gets one now, of
Yeah.
course. Okay.
Look at him. He's like, get in there, Ma. Ma, I'll
Mom,
help.
open it.
Yeah, I'll help open it.
You're too slow.
I got my teeth. I can open it.
Hudson, your
Hudson.
big nose is in the way.
Oh.
Your big nose is making this all wet, and I can't even open it because of your big nose.
Look, he's trying to get in there. He's helping.
He's helping.
He's helping.
Okay. Which one should I do? I woof you one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I woof you. Look at him. He's like, hurry. I need a treat.
Look at this. I woof you.
Oh, how adorable
There,
is
no,
that?
you can't eat it yet.
Yeah, he's gonna
The
snatch it.
plastic wrapping is on it, Hudson.
Yeah, you have to
No.
unwrap it. He's going
Oh
for
my
it.
God, he's trying to eat it with the plastic wrapper still on it. Wait a minute.
Oh, how
Hudson,
beautiful it
Hudson,
is.
I'm helping you.
Look at Hudson
Hudson,
going.
wait.
He wants it. He wants his treat.
He wants it.
Ha! He loves it. Loves it.
He's getting crumbs everywhere, of course.
No, that's Hudson. I can't blame him. They look delicious.
Woof you.
Here, let me throw one.
Oh, you're gonna throw it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay.
There you go.
Getting
Look.
ready.
Huds.
Oh, you got it.
Oh,
Oh my God, Jackie B, these
Jackie
are
B,
so
fantastic.
adorable. So adorable. But wait, there's one last gift. One last gift.
Hudson.
Enjoy your gift. Happy Valentine's Day, Hudson. Love, Jackie B.
Oh, nice job.
What is it, Hudson?
What is it? Oh, it's a neckerchief.
It is. It's
The
a
most
Valentine's
stylish
Day
dog.
neckerchief. Oh my God.
He's styling and beguiling. Look at him. Oh, Huds.
wait,
Karla's
wait.
gonna put it on.
Wait, look. It says free kisses.
Free kiss.
Look, look.
Look, you can get your free kisses right there.
Oh my God.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Look how cute.
Oh,
Look at that.
oh, it's beautiful. Look at it. Oh, it's great.
Free kisses. Are we ready to go down the hall?
Yep.
Hudson.
He's got his rose hiding treat. Ooh, look at him.
Oh,
Oh,
look
he
at
loves
the
it.
nose. He loves it. Look at the nibbles. Look at it, because he smells the treat.
Yeah, he
in it.
smells it. Where's the treat, Huds? Where's the treat? He's trying to. He's got to figure it out later. Let's throw the ball. He's like, "Where's the treat, though?" We'll teach him how to do it.
Let's see
He
if
loves
he catches it. Ready?
Yeah, he loves it.
Oh,
He got it. Throw the
He
ball.
got
Come
it.
here.
He got it.
Yeah. Throw him the ball. The ball cracks me up.
The ball? Okay.
Yeah.
Now the ball.
Yeah,
The
wait,
mighty
wait,
ball.
wait, wait,
The
wait,
mighty
wait,
ball.
wait.
James, it's all going to be out of focus now. Wait, focus.
Huds. He loves it. Look at him. Look at him.
Get the bull. He's got the bull by the horns.
Yeah, he's got the bull by the horns.
No.
Huds.
Ready, Hudson?
Oh, he got it. Nice job.
Good
Oh,
boy.
Hudson.
Look at him smile.
Oh, he loves
Oh my
it.
God, Jackie B, thank you so much. All those gifts are so wonderful. Hudson thanks you. We thank you. I can't wait to watch the Key Largo DVD. That will be extra good. And all the treats, so generous of you, so sweet.
Oh, fantastic
hope you
job.
had a wonderful Valentine's Day. You
Yeah.
sure made Hudson's day and ours.
Fantastic
Thanks,
job.
Jackie B.